All right, lift it slowly now.
It's heavier than the last one.
Heavy one coming through.
Careful with the stack!
We need another crate over here.
At the core of the factory, powerful extraction systems transform tons of fruit into purified watermelon juice every hour. These readings are anomalous for this stage of the process. Check the flow regulators on Unit 3. From farms to factories to supermarket shelves, the journey of watermelon juice depends on one of the most advanced food processing systems in the modern world.